Hey, great, you got your copy of the Viddy Player plugin. You are going to be so happy when you start auto-playing your videos again inside Chrome. But I have one special offer for you, and this is a one-time only offer. You will not see this again after this 3-day launch because we will be putting the offers together and the price will be exponentially more for this amazing plugin. This is Viddy Player Pro. So in addition to all of the options you get inside Viddy Player, we made a Pro version for people that want a little bit more. So inside the Pro version, you're going to get things like grid video players, pop-up videos that autoplay from links. It's absolutely amazing. I have a demo for you right now. Let's jump inside the computer and see the extra added features you get inside Viddy Player Pro.
Okay, in this video, it's going to be short. I'm going to show you all the features that you get with the Pro version. And so I'm going to show you just hands-on. There's your video player in the dashboard, and I'm going to create a new video. And all these features that you have for the video Pro version. All right, I'm going to just title it, or Viddy Pro version. All right, so there's a short code. I'm just going to grab that right now so I can have it for later. I'm just going to copy that. Oops, there we go. And all the features for the Pro version are for the self-hosted. Okay, and so I'm just going to put in some the Buck Bunny URL in there. I'm going to have a Flash backup. I'm going to put a splash image in there, and the Pro. I'm going to show you how quickly this is. Now there's 3 main things that you can do with the Pro version. You can add grid style. What do I mean by grid style? Watch this. Add video. See that? It added a second video. I'm going to add a third one. A fourth one. All right. A fifth one. And a sixth one. And you can kind of close those up a little bit. And you know, if you're doing a training course, you'd obviously change the URLs because I have the same video file on each of these. Okay. I should have done this as I was creating them. All right, so there's 6 videos files right there. They're all the same, but you need to change them. You can remove it. You can drag them around. Okay, you can drag them around. And take this one and move it down there. And once again, they're the same video file, but you need to change these. And here's where you set the max width. So you can see here, as soon as I put the video file in there, it's going to automatically calculate the rendered ratio. So that's the rendered ratio. But I don't want it. It's going to be all on one page. So I'm going to have it... it's going to be, for example, let's see, 250. It's going to be real small, okay? It's going to be real small. And I'm going to have hide the control bar. And it's going to be really small. You can set the margin between the videos. Default is 5, so I'll just leave it at 5. And I'm going to have it left aligned or centered. I'm going to have it centered. And I'll take the autoplay off because it has a splash image. You need a splash image if it's not on autoplay. But I'm just going to get this here. I'm just going to show you real fast how this works. And I got that shortcode ID right there. I'm going to put it inside this page right here. Okay, this test page. So I'm just going to simply update this. And this is the grid style. See that? So that's the grid style. It's the same video. You need to change them, by the way, but I can make them bigger. I can come back below, and I can put these to to 400, so that there's 2 on a page. And so if I refresh this page now, see that? Isn't that cool? So this is great if you have any type of training series. You can also put a, on the right-hand side, right-hand top corner, you can put a full screen icon so people can watch it in full screen, okay? You can see here that, so that's the grid style. Another cool thing you can do is you can change this grid style into a pop-up, okay? And so it's a light box pop-up. So it says right here, play videos in pop-up. So click right there. And I can set the pop-up to be, say, 854 wide. Okay, the height will automatically be calculated based on the ratio that's up here. Okay, so it's that's going to be, the pop's going to be 854 wide, and it's going to be centered. So now I'm going to make some really cool thumbnails. So these are going to be thumbnails, say at 200. All right. So that's the thumbnail 200, and when people click on the thumbnail, it's going to be 854 wide. Okay, isn't that cool? I can also set a some type of border around it or what have you. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to come here and I'm going to update this, and I'm going to refresh. So now the thumbnails are all on one line. There's 6 videos there, and when I go to click one of those, see that? Isn't that cool? And do a little exit there. If I go in this one, see that there? So that's the Lightbox grid style. That's the second one. The third thing that you can do, and I'll be real quick here, if you come down and if you look at this option right here, it says enable pop-up with text links. See that? So I will click that, and you'll notice that right here there's a text link. It says use when enabled pop-up with text links, and I can put here video 1 test video. Okay, I'm just being really fast. I'll put here video 2 test video. I'll put here video 3 test video. Now you want to label these properly. I'm just being real fast here. I'm just being really fast, and I got 6 videos, right? Well, it's right here. Video 5 test video. Now people love this feature for membership sites, any type of course. It makes it really easy. And so that's set right there. And if you come down below, you'll see a new section opens up, and it's right here. Okay, you can set the text size. You can do the link color. So link color right now will be black. I can have it hover at blue or what have you. Okay, just to show you that how it works. There's a default button image, a bullet image. And if you want to have a customized bullet image, you can do it right there. You can change the font size. So the default is 14, but if I want the font size to be 15 pixels, I can do that. If you're doing a customized bullet image, you can set the padding. There's a training video just on this. Here is where you set the pop-up width. So it's going to be 854, and the border. This is going to have a border around this. I'm going to have a white border. Or maybe I'll just show you how this works here. It's going to be a green border, just to make it real funky looking. And it's going to have the pop-up border width. I'm going to set it to be 15. And it's going to have a little bit of a radius on it, so rounded corners. All right, rounded corners. So that's it right there. So I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to update this. I'm going to show you how cool this is. So this is going to turn into text links that pop up into a lightbox effect. Refresh. You see that? So it is right there. I can put it anywhere on the page, but this is what I did. You can see when I hover, it changed the colors. So if I click on that, see? Isn't that cool? This is perfect for any type of training, any type of courses, anything that you want to do. It's like super cool, okay? And so that is the pro version. The 3 main, you get the grid style, the grid style pop-up, the lightbox, and the bullet text links to lightbox pop-ups. Thank you.